families find themselves in the unthinkable position of having to scramble for elder care or having to handle estate planning in not so ideal circumstances, and certainly not for the price point that they would want for their loved one. Mike McKinley is with Elder Care Law with offices in Louisville and Lexington. And Mike, this is something that a lot of families worry about.
It is, and if they're not worried about it, they certainly should be worried about it.
Why is it important to begin thinking about elder care now? You know, what if your loved one is in great health?
That's a great question. So we typically try to look at our clients as either proactive planners or they're in a crisis. And a crisis is just what it sounds like. If your loved one is in a nursing home spending $7,000, $8,000, $9,000 a month, that's a crisis. That's money that they could be leaving to their family, to their church, but instead it's going to the nursing home. That's certainly a crisis. But if you can plan early, you can save a ton of money, both in the cost of the planning itself and how much money you end up giving to the nursing home. How
is Elder Care Law different from maybe other firms that handle elder law and estate planning?
Well, we're very fortunate. One of our partners is Jamie Hargrove, and he is more of a high net worth planner, but we've been able to integrate some of his planning techniques into our elder law planning. In addition to that, we're also a life care planning law firm, which means that we have on-staff employees who are trained in helping people decide what type of care they might need, helping them find, get, and pay for the appropriate level of care that they might need wherever they are.
You touched a little bit on costs. Let's go back to that. People want quality care, but they also don't want money to be wasted. Can you actually save money in the long run?
Yeah, planning ahead is like it sounds. If you plan ahead or you fail to plan, right? So in order to maximize your dollars and use the most efficient dollars, there is a right way to pay for something and possibly a wrong way to pay for something.
What kind of other services does Elder Care Law provide?
Well, I touched on, aside from the basic estate planning, asset protection planning for the elderly, we also do life care planning, which it can be a huge benefit to our clients, particularly if they're sort of in between being perfectly healthy and having to be in a nursing home. The life care planning can hopefully help them stay out of the nursing home. We never want our clients to have to go there if we can avoid it. Okay, so we plan for the worst case scenario, but with some proper techniques early on, maybe we can put the roadblocks up to allow them to age in place.
All important information. All right, if you would like to get started, all you have to do is go to eldercarelegacy.com, mention that you saw it on WHAS 11, and your first consult is free.